Located just minutes from the heart of Beverly Hills is this 1929 Mediterranean offering resort-style living. Currently offered at $13,950 per month. Really a lot of unforgettable original details throughout. I'm Ian Rhodes with Keller Williams Realty, and why don't you step inside with me and we can take a tour of this very rare special offering. Located in the lower canyon, you really get a lot of lush landscaping, as you can see, and quiet calm, but all within minutes of the heart of Beverly Hills. And let's step inside. And when you do step inside, you step immediately into really what could be the heart of the home, which is more of your formal living. With the archways leading all the way to the back of the home, you can see there these beautiful trellises. So many original details right as you step inside. You could say this could be used for more formal living and entertaining, although I could see this very well being a family room, even though this home does come with a family room. And wait till you see that, as that leads out to the back pool area. But I believe it is special that you get all of this beautiful natural light that comes through these French doors. You can open those up for the fresh air, canyon air that comes through. This home has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and about 2,800 square feet. Let's continue the tour through. As you can see, the terracotta flooring, even room for your favorite beverages to be stored. The home is broken up into a lot of the different rooms, which I think still creates a positive flow throughout. And here is where you get your family room, a little more comfort, which sits off of the back, which I will show you in a second, because this home not only comes with the 4 bedrooms, the 4 bathrooms, but it also comes with a pool. Here is bedroom 1, which is really convenient because it is located downstairs. I mean, this could be a flex space room, creative space room, because this room is also where the stackable laundry is located. Could even be your very own dressing room if you like, or if you have children, a playroom. Downstairs, you do have this full bathroom, which has this really cool soaking tub with windows that would open up to what is that you see out that window? That's right, your pool, very own private pool. From your family room, that leads you into the kitchen space, which we know the kitchen can also be the heart of the home. But you also have a lot of high-end finishes, the marble counters, the Sub-Zero fridge. Again, these trellises and beams in each room stand out. This is great because you could serve right out to the pool, great for entertaining. You've got a Wolf range with a griddle. You notice the terracotta flooring. And here we have stepped into the dining room with what is believed to be almost 100-year-old original light fixture chandelier. You really feel the lushness out of each window. Even though you are in close proximity to neighbors, you do not feel it when you are inside this house. Again, another archway that leads you into the kitchen, into dining, which could easily be an 8 to 10 dining table for as many guests as you would like to entertain. This little central area of the home is what would lead you up to what is really more of a split level. So again, 1929, but this was added over time, believed, and upstairs, where on this split level, you can see you do have a 3/4 bathroom. And you also have your second of 4 bedrooms. Notice how each room has all of these original details and character and French doors that open up to really take the outside and bring it in, looking up to the canyon. This particular bedroom has built-in cabinetry, desk space, perfect for the at-home office. Once you step out of this bedroom, you continue upstairs. This is an addition over time that really the vaulted ceilings bring a lot of beautiful natural light in, but continues to add to the character of the Mediterranean architecture. Upstairs, the very top level, you do have your 3rd guest bedroom with ensuite bathroom. Another set of French doors bringing the outdoors in, lots of windows. This overlooks the back. It would take you out to your little overhang over the pool. Your ensuite bathroom, again, well appointed. This has the shower tub combination, sink vanity with the wood flooring. And this brings us to, well, wait for it, the primary suite. So the primary suite has this beautifully decorated archway with a front door with even your own door knocker. So if you would like privacy, you can lock that off or require a door knock before anyone comes in. A little step out balcony here, very, very Mediterranean. And I'm gonna leave that bathroom for after seeing the primary, because as we step into the primary suite, these beautiful vaulted beam ceilings with fireplace, and again, double French doors that overlook the back terrace. Every room is kind of its own enclave, unique character. Of course, your walk-in closet with dressing space. Giving you ample closet organization. With a window, which we love in the 1920s. They would put windows in their closets. And then let's step into the primary bathroom, which really falls in line with the rest of the home, having its own unique finishes, arches, this beautiful window that brings in the canyon. So many fine details, but look at this ceiling. I know a lot of people love to spend time in their bathrooms, spa-like bathrooms. I think this would be one of them, because this double door soaking tub. As you can see, double rain shower. Let's just open this up. If this is not a grand entry to your shower experience, let's step in. I'm not afraid to step in because I want you to get a feel of what this would be like stepping into your shower with the window in the shower. You can open that up. Can you see how this is exactly as described, resort style living? So many incredible details to enjoy, creating a lifestyle of luxury living. With a separate toilet closet here. What do you know? It has a window. So that wraps up the interior of the home, where you have the 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, split levels, 2nd floor. Again, each space is so well defined, can be creatively used however someone wishes. But no doubt, window after window, arch after arch, detail surrounds you. If you want to continue the tour, I'm going to take you out back soon so you can see the pool area, which really is your California true resort style living. And it's a pool that's not overwhelming. It's a pool that I think is pretty inviting, which be easy to cool off on those extra hot days, but also for entertainment reasons would be simplified. Even an outdoor fireplace. Pool maintenance, gardening maintenance, all included in the lease terms. So very move-in ready, easy to start enjoying. And I think here is where you will prepare your guest list, because I am assuming at night this gets even more dramatic. That is a heated pool, so no worries about jumping into a plunge pool, although if that's your thing, go for it. I just think this room is going to be really where people would hang out casually, informally. But even a room like this, for someone who needs some extra storage, wait for it, again, 1929 closet with, what do you think? A window and plenty of storage. I'll take you back to the front of the house so you can see a little bit of the front garden space as well. So much to really enjoy. I mean, to me, the warmth of this home is what really stands out to me for the comfort, the ease of entertainment. And you have 2-car driveways parking. It is gated, an automatic gate that comes across. You have a outdoor sitting area here. Two-car garage. These archways. And this is your 1929 Mediterranean in the Lower Canyon, 1407 North Beverly Drive. Literally just minutes to downtown Beverly Hills. Well, thanks for taking the tour with me. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll be taking you through more listings, but this is a lease offering, currently at $13,950, available immediately to move in and enjoy. Again, this is Ian Rhodes, Keller Williams Realty. Thanks for taking a little tour with me today.